Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to actually change your username on Reddit. First of all, of course, if you don't have Reddit on your phone, you'd like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then, after that, you'd like to go and sign in to create your account, of course, if you don't have an account. If you do have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my Redis application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So here, that actually will be your home screen. And here you will find the post that you're actually interested on, or the post of the community that you actually joined or follow. And how we can possibly change our username? It's simply by scrolling from left to right or clicking at your icon at the top right corner. Both will open this. Here you would like to go and click at settings, and then you will go to general option here or section, then click at account settings for, of course, that will be your username. Here you will have the option of switching accounts, update email address, change password, country, gender. So as you can see, we don't have the option of changing our username, but we can change here our email or our password. So let me just tell you that changing username is an option available for the people that just recently created Reddit accounts. If you created so long that you created your account, you will not be able to change your username. And of course, you have one-time option to change your username. Of course, if you already changed this before, you'll not be able to change it again. So if you recently created your Reddit application or your Reddit account, if you click on your icon again here at the top right corner and click at your profile here, instead of taking you to your profile, they will ask you to change your username or keep it the same. If you already clicked keep it the same too many times, that means again you will not be able to change this. But if it's not so, you can actually change this by clicking at your edits here, and of course you can have, or you have here the display name, that this will be displayed to viewers of your profile page and does not change your username. Of course, that actually will be a replace for your username, because as we said, you cannot change your username if you're using Reddit too many time ago, or if you already changed your username. Even if we click here on the pen icon, we have here just to update our avatar, and we can just add image, add socials, about you, and as you can see here, we don't have the change username option nowhere. So as we said, that will be it for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.